Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Raindrop Lila, and today I want to share with you guys a new printable that I came out with. This is actually my latest printable, and I actually came out with it, I want to say a couple weeks ago, and I didn't get a chance to kind of share it on here, so I wanted to just go through and show it so you guys have an idea of what it looks like. So I have actually two vintage maps kits, and they are huge, and I am just a little bit obsessed with them. I think they are so great. I love using these. I think they're great for any journal, especially since the colors range from just like very vintage to more pastel. I think they're a great way to tell a story. And they're also great. I think they work, like this one's so good. I love the pastel colors. I think it'll work really well with my pastel kits. So this will be great for, like, I think it'll be really cute in a journal, like a travel journal, a vacation journal. They also work really well for a masculine journal. I think they're just so pretty. Oops. Now, keep in mind that these are old, and so some of them will have a very aged look to them. I did actually do detailed edits on every single one, but I do like some of those. Some of the distressing on there, and I actually work with it. So I clean them up where I feel like they need some cleaning up, but some of the aging spots I just love, so I left them as is. Okay, so there's one kit. So you can see they're fairly huge. Okay, so that was Maps 1, and then we got Vintage Maps 2. Look how old these are. Aren't they just great? I love them. I mean, look at that. So pretty. Huh. I love these colors and how old they are. And I love the variety because I feel like I can just grab any map that fits my theme. You guys know me, I love different themes, whether it's a color theme or just a theme like vintage or Victorian. I love the different themes, and it's so nice to just kind of match the theme, right? Although I think these will work really good with a more vintage or masculine journal too. I'm always like looking for ways to make journals that are more masculine, because I feel like it's really easy for me to do a feminine journal because you can use laces and you can use all these pretty details. But then for a masculine journal, I have to kind of think about, and I think these are really great. Especially embellishing a masculine journal. I feel like that can be a little bit challenging because I usually embellish with flowers and butterflies and laces and bows, but then when you have like a masculine journal, like you want to add nice details. And so I think it can be challenging, or something that I need to think about, because I'm so used to making a feminine journal. Now these are marbled nautical tags. Oh, I have this marbled collection. This one is part of my nautical kit, and so I have it. It's been out for a while, so a lot of you guys picked it up and love it. But I wanted to share that I also have a nautical tags kit now. Aren't those just so cute? And I do have Like you'll have some for the Nautical kit. Like I have the little boys, I have the lady. This is more feminine. But I wanted to include both so that it's very versatile. I wanted it to work well for a masculine journal, but even for a like feminine journal, or if you wanted to add your details and you wanted to kind of feel like you can connect with it, like if it's your journal. So I did want to add some type of feminine touches, kind of. I have the plain ones like this because these are great for journaling on, but they're also great to build up on these, where you cut different pieces out and then you just collage your own, right? So this tag kit is huge because there's so many, I have so many different papers, and I wanted to really include a lot of different styles. All the different variations of the marbled papers. I love those too. So good. I actually made a journal using these marbled papers for my friend's sons. She has teenage sons, and I made a couple little, just some simple booklets, and they love them, and I thought that was so cool. This is the Marble DIY card kit. So I have envelopes, and I also have the cards. Now I printed, this is one of my backings. I can't remember what kit it's from, but if you guys want to know where it's from, let me know and I'll get it. I'll get you guys a link. But I printed them on the back so that I can use them right away, just as they are, right? Oops, isn't that cute? This one's upside down. Oh, it's like this. So these are great. All you do is cut them out, fold them, and they are ready to go. You're ready to use them for a journal or for a kit. You can even embellish them a little bit with a little bit of either twine. You can wrap some twine around the spine or around the edge and tie it, and you can add a charm to the twine just to add some more detail. These are just so great. I love them. They're such a great way to make a card, or these are also great for mini journals. And then you got the envelopes, and then I have this one too. Okay, and then let's see what else. I have the vintage maps, printable tags, and labels. So these are the tags, and then I have labels too. So pretty. I usually like to print these on cardstock so that they already have a good feel to them, like a good weight to work with. These are great if you want to make like a little tag journal, and you can just add a ring to hold them together. That is such a great way to make like a little mini journal. It would be great for like a vacation journal. And then I have the marble style corner pockets and labels. So these are the corner pockets. So basically you cut, fold, and then you add glue to this bottom part and you have yourself a corner pocket. And then I also have the labels on there. I actually got requests for these corner pockets. So that's why I made them. I have some in my shop, but I don't have that many of these. And then I also have this one, and I'm just going to show it to you guys like this. Labels, tabs, and elements. Basically, just different pieces you can collage with. Okay, so that's what I have so far. I hope you guys enjoy these new kits, and I hope you guys find them inspiring in to use for your journals. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye bye.